ready to transform your raw AI art into breathtaking, portfolio-worthy masterpieces. Let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate Midjourney with the power of Photoshop. First, generate your image in Midjourney using a detailed prompt, aiming for a composition that you can build upon in Photoshop. Next, drag and drop your Midjourney creation directly into Photoshop, opening it as a new document. This is our base canvas. Now, create a new layer above your Midjourney image. This will allow you to non-destructively enhance and modify your image. Using the brush tool, refine details, adjust the brush size, hardness, and opacity to meticulously paint in sharper edges, smoother gradients, or add missing elements. Time for color correction. Experiment with adjustment layers like curves, levels, and color balance to fine-tune the image's overall tone and mood. Subtle tweaks can make a huge difference. Apply strategic sharpening or blurring. Use the unsharp mask filter for crisp details or Gaussian blur for softening harsh edges, but use them selectively to avoid overprocessing. Master masking. Create masks to isolate specific areas, allowing you to apply adjustments or effects only where needed, maintaining control and precision. Explore blending modes. Experiment with overlay, soft light, or other blending modes on your new layers to subtly blend details and create unique effects. It can create more realistic lighting. Finally, once you are happy with the image, save your work in your preferred file format. That's how you can create amazing image art from Midjourney and Photoshop.